1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Small block Chevy, power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. And nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC's been recharged, blows cold. 4-barrel, looked like a newer Edelbrock on it. We're going to check out underneath the hood in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper. Bright work on the grille, headlight bezels. Original paint coat of D on this car, so it was a grotto blue car, has a black vinyl top that is a power top. We're going to check that out before the end of the video. Power windows. If you want to see the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the slotted steel wheels. Beauty ring, center caps. Definitely take a look at the underside. It's very clean underside on this car. And down the passenger side, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a couple real small, minute ones here and there. I mean, the car's driven. It's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, go have some fun. And I'll kind of point out a few that I've noticed, but again, they're pretty small, insignificant ones. Black vinyl interior. You can see seat belt still intact, bench seat up front. Aftermarket stereo has been added, and that is in working condition. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that interior when we start it up. Let you hear it run. As you can see, dual exhaust, chrome on the rear bumper, nice shape. A few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Stated it brakes as it should. The front calipers and pads are new, and the rear brakes are at 80%. And really the only note he had was just some minor valve cover seep. Nothing really too crazy out of the ordinary for, again, a car that's driven. Couple real small, if you can see that touch-up spot, and I'm getting pretty fussy. It's like, what a pinhead. One little spot here. Wouldn't surprise me if you can't hardly see those in the video. So you can see up and down that driver's side, again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Tell you what, if you like Chevelles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what's going to come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Couple real small spots up right on the corner of that hood, but again, pretty small. Let's take a look at this interior. Something else you can do to help us out, if you know somebody that likes Chevelles or is into Chevelles, would like seeing this car, go ahead and share it with them. Maybe you know somebody in the market for one. Sure appreciate it. There you can see the power window switches right down here. And bench seat, free of any rips, tears, holes, really showing any wear at all, front and rear. All right, I think we need to fire this up so you can hear it run. We're going to peek underneath that hood. There is a manual choke down here. It's a little bit cold-blooded. I think I got it. All right. So going to leave this choke in. I think I got it warmed up just enough.
Street, Mankato.
Pack your bags for the ultimate.
There's the stereo working. Again, AC blows cold. Top of the dash looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that small block Chev. slip up to the front. We'll get this hood pop, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you how this convertible top goes up and down. It is a power top, and at the very end of the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy there. Really same for the engine bay. There it is, V8 power. And it's an Edelbrock coil barrel on there. Looks like it's a little newer. Power brakes, power steering, AC compressor over here. That has been converted also from the R12 to 134A. It's like a newer battery with a disconnect when it's in storage in between drives. We're running pretty smooth once it's warmed up. Let's go ahead and see how this convertible top works and check out the condition of that. And the convertible top up. So black vinyl top. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I did notice a couple wear spots on this one. We have one right here, very, very small. Coming around to the rear window. Good shape there. And the other wear spot, a little bit larger on this side right here. But if you needed it to keep you out of the sun or keep you dry, I think it's going to work just fine. Person could just mend that one. It's a little clean. Gonna tear. And back around to the front. Nice tight fit above the windshield. All right, I will show you the top going back down into the storage area also. And then Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And then, like I said earlier, check out the underside. It's very clean underside. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible in a beautiful blue We do have the top up today. Nice black interior. We've got speakers in the kick panels. Retro sound style radio sounding good. Turn signal indicators are working. There, spun a tire a little bit. She's got some power. Our speedometer's working. There's a clock over on the right side here. Fuel gauge shows completely full, and the rest would be warning lights. The blower motor does blow air on this car. Corners nicely, good power steering. Actually stays pretty flat in the corners. A good handling, Chevelle. Very nice carpet, seats. Comfortable, easy to drive car. Now the horn worked sometimes. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anyone to drive. Great rumble coming out of this car. If you're hearing any wind noise, that's because the driver's window currently does not go up from the down position. That's why you're in a special spot right now, but it's kind of a cool camera spot. Check out all the pictures and learn everything you want to know about this 68 Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.